This is absolutely shocking. Traore is building the biggest canal in Africa, a jaw-dropping $90 billion mega project that will connect landlocked Burkina Faso directly to the Atlantic Ocean through a neighboring coastal country.
This man is beyond Kwame Nkrumah. Let me say it again. This man, beyond Kwame Nkrumah. Oh yeah, revolutionary leader, mental and physical. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Pacha baby, I will be able to check and subscribe here. Subscribe me to my now on Sir Akabi. Ibrahim Traore, the Burkinabe president, is in the news again. If we are saying there are things that you do that will echoes in generations to come. Yes. Project be, and we are not talking about KVIP in Kwasia project. I will be a 1 kilometer road. Was my yebi? We say I'm not make a monumental project. It changing the fortunes of a country, and that is what Ibrahim Traore is doing. And then when who say or a landlock? You can a landlock. I mean say Nikrono is being all bordered by lands into only Potisania Ghana. You were poor. And then what is the man doing? Oh, creating an avenue for ships to come to Burkina Faso. Let's go and watch.
This is absolutely shocking. Traore is building the biggest canal in Africa, a jaw-dropping $90 billion mega project that will connect landlocked Burkina Faso directly to the Atlantic Ocean through a neighboring coastal country. Stretching over 1,200 kilometers, this engineering giant will be wide enough for cargo ships, equipped with 20 massive locks, and supported by huge artificial lakes to control water flow year-round. Funded by BRICS nations and Gulf investors, the canal is designed to slash trade transport times by 70%, turning Ouagadougou from an inland city into a bustling global port. Experts say this single project could flood the economy with billions in revenue, attract massive foreign investment, and give Burkina Faso one of the most strategic maritime positions in West Africa. If completed by the proposed 2040 deadline, the Great Burkina Canal won't just change the map, it could completely rewrite the balance of power in the region. Engineers claim the project's underground sections will be the longest covered waterway tunnels in the world, protecting it from sabotage and climate change.
This man is beyond Kwame Nkrumah. Let me say it again. This man, beyond Kwame Nkrumah. Oh yeah, revolutionary leader, mental and physical. Because this is, you see, Abrofoniqua and Mavulom, because they have never seen a black man so intelligent and so powerful as Ibrahim Traore. And it changed the dynamics of Western society. It has to be paid for. Cargo banner, Sabia defeat the port, and I say, a porter, a bedu is being charged. Look at the distance that they are covering. And to all say, and then I miss me, let me input to not still I'll minimize it. Share project be oh yeah, very difficult. But at the same time, it will change the whole setup of your country. And now Burkina Faso, Burkina Faso, we stand up and salute them. Time back, Burkina Faso, we be Burkina and then they are proud people. And it started with something. Thomas Sankara, changing them from the Upper Volta to Burkina Faso. And the meaning of Burkina Faso is what? Upright people. It means what? In Kwafu, no echo. Sadina ye the man omono and then assasa nti Ghana ye di nya assasa me tias here because I'm saying na Gold Coast no na kai yo e ba Ghana dia isi e Jimmy double telling you and then sadina assasa here no and then e di to me I give it back to a man what to me the Burkina Faso Gina on the world map and then they'll be counted among nations. I'll be one of the fastest growing countries in the world. And then Burkina Faso almost liberating mentally, physically, spiritually from France. And then France is reeling under economic pressure because of him. Obroni be Papa be Africa. That Africa for you benye nyansa no abrofo they will collapse. Ibrahim Traore, that man, we need to protect him at all costs. And our leaders should learn. Because it is time. It is Africa's time. Yentimi anya bibia ma Africa na, yentimi nya biem. Na yaba Ghana no, se the armed robbery no, e man na yo. Yekwahwe mra.
Ye pa e wa asante mantem ha na wo hwe emretinti ni a wo mo etimi eye adwuma na wo mo chi akronfo a wo mo de sekan ni etuo ekokro no bo no emprepi eya na ta ye mema na bia emma bia ba beka ho anase emma kakra ne mema na bi ensi da se wo mo etimi akwachi akronfo bi a wo mo timi de sekan akosi obi so a wo mo de gine niam na so wo mo gine japade a eye emma nko a enso ebi esi emra eye Zongo District Police Commander eno wa asante mantem a omo kirema sa emaya enan a police for ensa aso mu eni Ernestina Amponsa ono anya mfie edu ensia 16 years. Mavis Ado enya mfie aduonu miensa 23 years. Agnes Dakwa enya mfie aduonu and 24 years. And afi Sally Sapon ono so enya mfie aduonu mienu 22 years. Emra police for nsem trefo ehia ewo eye regional police headquarters na afi oma kirem kwankra fa so a wo mo etimi echi wo mo no. District police commander owo Zongo district superintendent Reverend Dr. Samuel Nyameche Andani echire nsem say
eno anadwo be 11:30 ena owura bia efre Kwaju Obin oye taxi driver okosi ne yire ewo stadium nti odru labor runabout no na mayiwa 9 ejina ho nti o se o mo stop no se o mo ko afo nkwanta o mu dru ho no na o mu baako e ka kire ne se onfa o mo mfa New Oxford International School ho nti mra o mu dru ho ape ena da ko a ono ye 24 years Elias Atonsu killer odumija no na otwe knife edisi ne mfe na okatire ne se aida se ne sika e wo no ode ne nyina beba na se omuni ne nyina bewu omu jiwie ya omu dwane no oteatea mu omu ba na sense wenum de omu ho ehare nti omu dwane na we ya ni mu eduru no na omu nya no che no no so obetimi a kire bebi omu nti omu ba asafo area mu ho bebi omu duru ho no na omu hu se omu gina de adasa je se omu ye U10 omu ye U10 wie ya pe na omu hu bebi omu afa but omu hu se taxi bi apeki nipa ho we timi kire se ampa omu na tim na ho omu cross omu na omu chi omu miensa menua edin esanse ajiminsom said yes abri pa na omu amutimi kobokro no e de sekan esi obi so e ma nko be ma ba kokra nkan no makase ono kra na ma mu akokoduru ohine eya werɛ ho timi de mesre ne se sa wo hwɛ sa ne ma ya pese etu ase na ye wo se ye hwɛ sa ne ma ifare bai se sebi awaria etagu ene ntete no efiri mfiti ase no bi wo ho a yintimi hwɛ nkola no ba bi o mu dabre mu kura se wo hwɛ ba bi o mu dakura na otim se obi eni dabre papa nti ayonkogro ne niema ne tadisa ne nti awofo no e wo se ye wo ye ma yetimi ma ye ni kom ho timi de mesre ne se awofo no aya wo ye ma no ye ma ye ni ene ye nsa enkom ho ntentem na amasa ne ye ma iso ye ntimi ye nyini nyina mfiri ho kura amaso ate
Where a man am robbing gang. They be ade ba kwa mekane say, ye make sure say ye mabunu ye be mo majuma. Ye mo majuma, ye nsa besi fam. And na e ma besia e no mo ye am robbery wo Ghana. What a shame. Do you blame them? Ghana ya won ye wo enkwasiawo. Ye hu, wo ware ya no bi hu a, enti ma wa entimie. Oh, Misa say I wanna win. Oh, be then wash your ma. All these children are all my kwasia war asefo. My can be. What's my so? Make a kwasia war. And member name more woman to be sure, mom to be found. Colano Cosco Papa, and man Colano enya opportunities in life. I don't blame these people. I blame Kwafana kwasia phobia. No go bua to panam wo. Sam Colano no. I want to be sure. No be a burden on to Ghana. And it's na make us say, "Sa kwasia wona yeke, but the joining sa Jimmy Sami na it should stop." We don't need human being for human being sake. We need quality human being to make sure that Ghana progress. Oh, yeah, na yeah, I ain't one job. What you mean, Bema? This is kakaka bi, this is fear bi no jaba bi, ma wo 10. Umi say for school here, Saito. Over here for life, no side gross. Where ya war? Where was ya war? Tinam producer said also on young where ya was ya war? Shall obey ye. Make us a shall no me shall. Some mentality to the Jimmy shall obey ye. Make sure you provide for the child because it's your responsibility. Ultimate provider and go buat. And now you should come up. Try to do Ghana, we need to let them know, especially the Ghana people, I will say, and the Hausa people. I will be wearing Kwasia war. Oh, Wakola, Mwakwe Kojemo, Uye, Uye, Kodebakola, because where Jimmy? And then in Namzonga, me who 12 o'clock, not boys need to damn it because I'm Papa no Maminum or I'm even their whereabouts. Sawe, away, a Jimmy Awo. I expose you, subscribe, share. Little one as I can